Hi everyone, this video is going to cover how to access patient education materials either during a patient visit while they're in the exam room, or how to document it and publish it to a patient's portal or print and mail it in a telephone encounter virtual visit. First, we're going to get started during a patient visit. And once you've assessed and provided any treatment, or while you are doing this, going from the assessment screen and then moving over to the treatment screen, you can see your diagnoses here. The education materials here are available under this patient education tab here, and it quickly pops up. And based upon the diagnoses that you've used during today's visit, the diagnoses here are going to be a one-to-one match to the assessments that are listed over on your progress note, as well as your diabetes 1.5, hyperlipidemia, and asthma. So you can use some of the materials that are here for anyone that's maybe newly diagnosed, or if they're having any care instructions. You can see that there's multiple opportunities here to share with the patient some of these materials. Additionally, if there's no information that needs to be, that it's not a one-to-one match, either their diagnoses or their medications, there's no handouts here for medications, but maybe the patient on an inhaler for the first time. So if we do how to use an inhaler, you can see here by doing a new search that you will have options. So if their patient is new to be using an inhaler, this information here, you can even make your own favorites and link it to a folder here. Or you can create your own folder, which is a nice feature as well. You can send this, or if the patient is on the portal, it'll also link to a specific diagnoses for you, which is nice. And additionally, you can print this here. It will list patient materials within the treatment note as well that you've printed it out. We also have it embedded with our logo. Additionally, the patient's name is going to pop up on the bottom right-hand corner. And these are very nice, simple, and clean to use. Many patients have found this information to be helpful. Once this is done here, you can see that it does show the notes that have been printed. The other way to do the same thing is during a telephone encounter. If a patient gets something, they need something, if this example is patients looking for low impact exercises to do at home. She thinks that she may have left them in the exam room. You can go right over to the virtual visit again and just go down to the treatment window here, and then these will pop up as well. You can do educational materials and search for low impact exercises, because in this there are no diagnoses. So you can do a new search. So you can see that there's some stretching exercises here for your knee or back stretches. There's several different types of exercises, so based upon what that patient needs. Again, once you either send these or print these, they can be printed, linked to the assessment, as well as mailed. So definitely some nice features here for some patient education materials. Thanks for watching.